in certain circumstances, nerves get into a little bit of a rut, almost like a record. And so we get into loop thinking, or some people call it an infinite loop. And when someone is in an infinite loop like that, they can be stuck in a pattern, and often that's the pattern that is the same fight or flight pattern in when they first suffered their trauma. And a lot of times, normally we're supposed to be able to go from fight or flight back into total rest and relax, and then go back and forth in between. But when we get stuck in fight or flight, then that's not good for us, because all of the healing and all of the repair of the body happens in a rest and relaxed state. So what we try to do is reset that and take you back to your normal factory default settings.